Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Confirm your Python and package manager. Open a terminal, run Python version and pip version. This ensures compatibility. If you use Conda, activate the environment where Jupyter lives. Once done, shut down any running notebooks from the dashboard so files aren't locked, and note kernel names to restore later. This minimizes surprises. Make sure permissions and environment activation are correct before continuing to the update commands. You now perform the core updates. Choose pip or Conda and run the appropriate upgrade commands. For example, pip install upgrade Jupyter Lab Jupyter Notebook or Conda update Jupyter Y. Next, update kernel packages so kernels match the kernel spec. Run python m ipykernel install username your renv name. If you use extensions, run Jupyter Lab extension update all and rebuild if prompted. These steps prevent version mismatches and restore features you depend on. You finish by restarting the Jupyter server and testing a notebook. Open files, start kernels, and run a simple cell. If extensions or UI elements fail, rebuild them and clear browser cache. Check the browser console for errors. Make sure to confirm kernel paths match your activated environment. If something breaks, revert specific packages to known good versions with pip install package == x, y, z or conda install package = x, y, z. One key tip, keep a backup environment or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.